back to Liv'n, Alabama. How y'all doing today? Look, once again, as y'all see, I picked the worst part of the day to come out here. It's hot once again. So what I'm here to do today, I'm about to pull some corn. It's after 4 here, and the sun's counting in, so this corn, I just checked it, is ready. So we're gonna see what we can do. See, can we get maybe a couple of 100 ears. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. Going in, folks. Going in. Okay, y'all. We had a storm and it blew a lot of corn over. A lot of it. I wish I could take y'all in there where y'all can see it, but it blew a lot of it over. I have seen probably about 100 or more ears been shaved off like that, that's done hit the ground. I don't know what caused it or what got in it. I figured from the way the trail looked, deer's been in it. But then again, these little small bites, it could have been coons. But I don't know, I got to get this corn out of here because they are working on it. I'm hauling it out by the 5-gallon bucket load. I'm probably getting anywhere from 30 to 40 ears in there. Nah, may not be that many, but at the end of the video, I'm gonna let y'all guess and see how many ears do y'all think I had total. But I'm gonna ease back in here for load number 3. My 3 nieces to help me shuck this corn. See y'all in a little bit. All right, I said I was gonna take y'all in there before I left, so let me see, can I get y'all together? After riding that all day and then coming to do this, that's work. And 100-degree temperature. Now when you go in here, you're gonna have to step on some corn and all this stuff, but it's gonna be, look at this. Look how the corn blowed over. Look at all the ate up ears. Let me get on in here. Look at there. There's plenty of it. But look at that corn, y'all. That stuff is up there. I'm so excited about it. First time I ever planted the Bloody Butcher corn. But yeah, tell y'all what I got here. This is Silver King corn, and I don't know what's gotten in it, but whatever it was, it worked on it. Look at there. And I mean, it's all through here. Look how I just demolished that stalk right there. Whatever it was hungry too. This is crazy. And it's hot. See? I hadn't even made it this far back yet. And there's still a lot of corn in here that's not ready. See there? Look how those just bulldozed. Just straighten them out. I'm gonna set up a camera on the other end of the field. And put it on video. We're gonna find out what it is. All right. I'll see y'all in a little while when I get to the house. Take care.